Alright. Today, we're gonna be playing a classic, okay? You may not have heard of this game before. It's a little game called Subway Surfers, alright? You 2000s kids, you love this shit. This is the bomb. So we're gonna do one run. We're gonna see how far I can get. Space is hoverboard on this. We only have 2 hoverboards though, that kinda sucks. That's the price of playing on a new file. Damn. Alright. That was a fluke, okay? Now we're actually gonna be playing until we die. I was dicking off a little bit too much. I would want to encourage more commentary, but honestly, I mean, you guys are watching Subway Surfers gameplay. That's like the brain rot, you know? This is the shit people put on TikTok on the side of their videos to fucking make you keep watching it. Though I guess that meta has sort of evolved. Now it's like soap cutting and like burning objects and shit. Oh, we got nicked. Give me that eye. Mission complete, guys. We're about to spell out nice. This is so fire. I think it's kind of dumb how when you play Subway Surfers, the main contributor to your points is just your experience level. Like I feel like a level 1 player should be able to get the score that like a max level player can. Cause all it does is increase your multiplier. It's lame. It's like the longer you play, the easier it is to get more points because your points are just easier to get. And then it starts to get absurd too when you have like a 32x multiplier and then you get another multiplier on top of it, a double multiplier, and then you have like a times 64 points and you're just getting points to get points at that point. You're not actually any better than someone, you're just higher level. They should have like a standard mode where everyone gets the same amount of points. That would be an interesting thing, because then it would actually just be based on time in the run instead of your level and time in the run. They'd have to take out the score multiplier too, because then there'd be like some luck involved with how many score multipliers you got in your run. Could be competitive Subway Surfers though. That'd be crazy. People would watch that too. That would be an esport for sure. Oh shit, we're level 2 now. I think there's a mission for jumps and for rolls as well, but I'm not quite sure. Of course, the boots aren't going to help any with that. I've also definitely jumped more than 20 times. I don't know what the game's talking about. Maybe it was 200 and I'm geeked. That was crazy. Bye-bye.